Simplifying square roots. This is a digital lesson. And the lesson starts with explaining what a square root is. And then it has students look for perfect squares. So a perfect square is a square root that has a whole number solution. So students are to place an X in the box next to any perfect squares. So 4 square root of 4 would be a perfect square because that would equal 2. Square root of 9 and square root of 36. Those are perfect squares. So to simplify a square root that's not a perfect square, students need to find two factors in which one of them is a perfect square. So here we have the square root of 20. We can break that down into one perfect square times square root of 5. So square root of 4 times square root of 5. And then we can go ahead and simplify this part of it. And we get 2 square root of 5. So students are going to be simplifying all of these in the next 4 slides. Here they have an example for them. They're breaking down square root of 27 into the square root of 9 and the square root of 3. So this first square root needs to be a perfect square. So they need to find at least one perfect square. So here 28, we think about all the factors of 28. Well, we can take the square root of 4 times the square root of 7, 4 being a perfect square, and that will give us 2 square root of 7. And you'll notice that all of these have a large letter next to the answer. We're going to match these together on the final slide to solve a riddle. So here, square root of 50, I can take the square root of 25, which is a perfect square, times square root of 2. 25 times 2 gives me 50. Now I can take the square root of 25, which is 5, and then just multiply it times the square root of 2. We're going to match these to this answer to the letter B. So students are going to solve all of these the next few slides. Good practice for them. And then when they get down to that final slide, they're going to be looking for these solutions on the previous slides. Once they find them, they're going to just type in the letter that's next to the answer. And if they do that correctly, if they've done all of these correctly, they will solve the riddle, why do plants hate math? So this is a digital lesson, simplifying square roots.